Hello, Namaste. Today I am going to share my experiences about the Samvi and Khechri Mudra, which is Dikshit from the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda today. And 15 days ago, I have taken the Sakti path from the Guru. In this Samvi Mudra, what he told is to focus on the third eye with opening eye, and with open eye you have to focus on the forehead, means third eye here, and with the tongue bent inside, and when he started mantra chanting, I got a vibration on all my chakras from leg to sahasrar, and I can feel the energy, and I see different colors on my forehead, mainly blue color, and I see all the images get blur, and with my tears are getting out from the eye. And mainly this is the experiences which I have get from this Samvi Mudra. This mudra makes me concentrate more during meditation. I can go deep meditation stage when I am doing dhyan sadhana along with this Samvi Mudra and Khechri Mudra. Both the both the sadhana is Dikshit from the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda. So anyone else want to get Dikshit from the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda, you can contact it. And I also tried this mudra very earlier when I have not know about the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda, about this Shakti path, but I cannot be get so well in this mudra. So I left this mudra because this mudra is the toughest in all the different yogas, and this mudra also kept secret because this can damage your brain also, because it creates pressure in your forehead and it can damage all your neurons. So don't try this mudra alone, because this mudra you need a guru. So guru will guide you how to do this correctly. Any mishappen can damage your brain.